over the...
Next to jump in the Open 2-star class is Melanie Ash with her own and Susan Phillips's Rathmalloyne flight.
Very, very offset. And with this big stride it is, it'll be interesting to see. It's all about the pacing. They hit 12 coming in. He's getting there now. Brian Marsden, jailbreaker to 12. He's the horse came back underneath him. And that's super. He's a big jumping horse, this jailbreaker. Super jumped there, 12 and 30. So now for 14. Skyport, another one says, let me out on this track, Mike. I'm ready for go. He looks every inch a champion as well. Skyport. Here's Skyport. 37.5 Skyport's test there this morning. Quarter road break. Harris Tom Henry owned the course. Usually just touched off by a fellow at that CNC there last weekend. Ballendenisk, the Ballendenisk CIC 3-star here last autumn. Skyport ready for go. Next to start, I wonder who's going to go into the start box next. We've got jailbreaker. Jailbreaker should be coming home. He's over the bank and the hedge. Down to him now to 15. Theo comes up next for jailbreaker. 93 to the full pitch. Barnes, Brian Kern Canan to 7A. 3, 2.